Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar and click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen and go to the last section, the services, and here you can find the first option, the frequently asked questions. Click that and here you can find these different questions. For example, will my data be lost? And if you want to read the text and the info, just click to the next arrow and you can use that. For example, your data will be stored in your device and the others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.